Okay, so to start, you are going to need to make a slip knot. And I am using a 6mm hook for this project. So once you have your slip knot, you're going to chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to slip stitch into that first chain. Or you can do a magic ring if you wish to do so. Alright, so once you have your ring, you're going to chain up 3. Now this chain up 3 does count as 1/2 double crochet with a chain 1. So now in this ring, you're going to put 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, until you have a total of 10 half double crochets. So that chain 3 was already 1. So half double crochet, chain 1. So we have 2. Another half double crochet, chain 1, 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So let's double check. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, then we chained 1. And then to end the round, we're going to do 1 more chain, so we should have 2. And then you're going to insert your hook in that first space and slip stitch to close the round. All right, so this is what you should have at the end of round 1. We have 9 half double crochets with chain 1 in between. Okay. All right, so for round 2, you're going to chain up 3. That counts as 1/2 double crochet. And in this same space, we're going to do another half double crochet. So this is going to be our increase round. Okay, so we have 2 half double crochets here. We're going to chain 1 and then go into the next space and do another half double crochet. We're going to chain 1 and in the same space do another half double crochet. So that is the pattern for this round. We're going to be doing 2 half double crochets in each space with the chain 1 in between. So chain 1, half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, and chain 1. Always remember to chain 1. Okay, so we just continue doing that all the way around. All right, so for round 3, we're gonna chain up 3, and again that counts as the half double crochet with the chain 1. For round 3, we're gonna insert 1 half double crochet, chain 1 in every space around. So we're not gonna go in this same space because we're not increasing. You're just gonna yarn over and go into that next space with a half double crochet. And then chain 1. Always remember to chain 1 after your stitch. 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, and chain 1. 1 half double crochet, and chain 1. So you're going to continue doing this all the way around. Okay, so once we finish round 3, we're going to chain up 3, yarn over, and then go into this next space and do 1/2 double crochet. So for round 4, it is the exact same thing as round 3. We're just putting 1/2 double crochet in each space with chain 1 in between. So go ahead and work on that, and then I will meet you guys back once we completed round 4. Okay, we are at the end of round 4. We're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into that first space. Okay, to start round 5, we are going to chain up 3. Again, that counts as a 1/2 double crochet and chain 1. And for this round, we are going to increase, so you are going to insert a 1/2 double crochet into that same space. So 1/2 double crochet and then chain 1. We always chain 1 after every stitch. So in the next stitch, we are going to put 1/2 double crochet and chain 1. Okay, and then in the next stitch, space, we're going to insert 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, and another 1/2 double crochet in the same space. So the pattern for this round is 2 double crochets, 1/2 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet, 2 1/2 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet, and then you just keep alternating that all the way around, chaining 1 in between. So 1/2 double crochet, 2 1/2 double crochet, so chain 1, and another 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, 1/2 double crochet, 2 1/2 double crochets. All right, you just keep repeating that all the way around. Next one is 2. All right, so keep doing that until you reach the end, and always remember to chain 2 before you slip stitch, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so this is what your project should be looking like so far. We have 5 rounds. Okay, to start round 6, it's going to be the exact same thing as round 5. So we are going to chain up 3, that counts as 1/2 double crochet, and a chain 1, and then you're going to insert another 1/2 double crochet in that same space and chain 1. And then in the next space is only going to be 1 1/2 double crochet with chain 1, and then in the next space 2. So just repeat round 5 for round 6. And then I'll meet you guys back once I have my round completed. Okay, I have completed round 6. So now we can start on round 7. So for round 7 until round 11, we are going to be doing the same exact thing. We're going to chain up 3. And then we're just going to insert 1/2 double crochet in each space with the chain 1 in between. So we are just going to go 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, 1/2 double crochet, chain 1. Right, and we're just going to keep doing that all the way around until we have 11 rounds completed. Okay. And the yarn that I'm using is like the rainbow yarn from Red Heart, the ombre rainbow yarn. So that's what I'm working with here. So we just keep going all the way around with 1 half double crochet and chain 1. Okay. Oh my god, y'all, look, I forgot to tell y'all, I got engaged. Do y'all see that? Okay, I just wanted to show y'all. Super excited. Okay, I will meet you guys back once I have 11 rows completed. Okay, so I have completed my 11 rounds. So now we are almost at the end. We are going to work on the finishing. So you're going to chain 1. And then what we're going to do is insert 1 single crochet in every space. So we're not going to go in the same space here. We're going to go into the next space and put 1 single crochet. We're not chaining 1 in between. So just single crochet in every space around. And we're going to repeat this same round for round 13 as well. So this is round 12. We're putting 1 single crochet in every space, and then for round 13 we're going to put 1 single crochet in every space again. In every stitch. So just keep inserting 1 single crochet all the way around. And what the single crochet does is it starts making the cap smaller. In a way, it decreases it. Just gives it that tighter fit. So just keep putting 1 single crochet all the way around. Okay, so off camera I did go ahead and do that second round of single crochets. So we should be 13 rounds in. For this next round, it is completely optional, but I do it just because I like a tighter fit. My head is pretty small. So at this point, you can stop and try it on just to see how it fits if you like it. But if you feel like it's a little bit too loose and you want a more snug fit, continue on with round 14. So for this round, what you do is you're going to slip stitch into every single crochet stitch. So you're going to enter your hook into that first single crochet, you're going to yarn over and then pull it through, and then go into the next one, yarn over and pull it through. So you're just going to do that all the way around, putting 1 slip stitch at the top of every single crochet stitch. So like I said, this just gives me that more snug fit for someone like me with a smaller head size. So I'm just going to go around with my slip stitch, and this would be my last round. Putting 1 slip stitch. And you can see it's getting a little bit tighter, which is what I want. meet you back once I'm finished. Okay, so I have finished my slip stitches and we are done, guys. So I'm just gonna chain up one and then I'm gonna cut and fasten off. And this is what it should be looking like. All right, and then I can go ahead and just weave in my ends. I don't really care too much about it, but I just insert my hook into a stitch and just pull it through. And I'll keep going till I'm a couple stitches in, and then I just cut it. All right. And we are done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was super easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions down below and comment what you'll like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.